Hi, welcome back. This week on my Facebook page, I am holding an event, and it is a clean your art space, get inspired, take care of things that you've been putting off. And the goal of this week is not to have a total makeover of your craft room, your art room, your space, but just to deal with some hot spots. And not to overwhelm you, every day this week is a little topic. So today is to pick a countertop space or a bin or some place to make it clean. So I prepared ahead of time and I ordered some modular um, cubes that I put together because I wanted one space cleared, which I did, but then I needed a, s- a place to put these foldable cubes I had in another place because I don't want them there anymore. So, okay, let me just show you. So here is my space that I have cleared. This is just old paint. So now that I've cleared it, maybe I can make this, maybe I'll paint it. Who knows? Maybe I'll just paint it white. Maybe I'll just put a table runner, just something. I just need a space here to set things, art in progress. And then this is my Cricut machine, which this has always been here. And this is the only place really for my Cricut machine. But I always had so much just crap up here. Sorry for my language. So I got to deal with a couple things on here, but no big deal. But then this right here, these bins were over here. So I got these on Amazon. I built them. They are they come in squares, and it's like a plastic. It's kind of a heavy duty plastic. It's strong enough to hold this. It's not a full bottle. So far, so good. It is, not the most sturdy thing, but I think for right now, it'll work. I got them to store these because I wanted more space. I did have art just hanging here, and I liked looking at it, but it needs to be more functional for me. The only drawback I have with this is look at these knobs right here. When I pull it out, it's going to catch. So I may pull these front ones out and just zip tie it together. I want to see how it holds this next week. So this may change. And I can't really put a lot of weight on the top of these. I don't know, I'm thinking. But I got them because I can't put a lot of weight on here because this is just held together underneath. So that's what I did today. And I'll go ahead and post this video in that Facebook event. And this whole thing was inspired by a course that I posted last week on paintpouracademy.com. And it is, I can't remember the name of it. It is to clean your storage. And I'll put a link in there. But that is a huge course that I put together. There are some downloadable worksheets. It's more involved because sometimes cleaning your space is more emotional than what it should be. And sometimes you just don't really realize the flow that you need or the zones that you need. Because once you're creating in a higher volume like I am, you kind of need a process. You need to get organized and you need to maintain that process. And you need a daily reset too. So this course walks you through all that. It's at paintpouracademy.com. Go check it out. And I'll definitely link it in here. And that's what I got done for day one. There's going to be 6 more days. It's going to be topics we can do in under an hour. And it's not, like I said, total makeover of your space. It's just getting you in a place so you can be inspired, you can stay inspired, and just have a functional space. And then once you do these topics, these things, then small steps, you go ahead and you take the next step. Maybe another day you clean another drawer. You just do under an hour activities in your space, which will help inspire you to create your beautiful art. So let me know what questions you have. Go check it out, and I would like to see your spaces. I am showing you my ugly, and hopefully by the end of the week, it'll be a lot more pretty. So not so ugly. So thank you for joining me. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.